Ever wondered how to make delicious and healthy smoothies at home? Well, the secret lies in using fresh ingredients which pack a punch of flavor and nutrients. Smoothies are versatile. They can be breakfast on the go, a pre-workout fuel, or a late-night snack. You can tailor them to suit your dietary needs, be it high protein, low carb, or packed with greens. The magic is in the mix. Stay tuned to learn how to make 3 fantastic smoothies that are both delicious and nutritious. First up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a delightful blend of mixed berries and yogurt. This refreshing concoction requires a handful of mixed berries, packed with antioxidants, a dollop of protein-rich yogurt, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Blend these ingredients until smooth, and voila! You're not only treating yourself to a delicious drink, but also reaping the health benefits of these nutrient-dense ingredients. And there you have it, a Berry Blast smoothie ready to kickstart your day with a health punch. Next, we whisk you away to a tropical paradise with our Tropical Delight smoothie. Imagine the sun-kissed taste of pineapple and mango, paired with the creamy richness of coconut milk. To create this tropical treat, blend these succulent fruits with the coconut milk until smooth. Not only does this smoothie taste like a beach vacation in a glass, but it's also packed with the health benefits of tropical fruits, providing a boost of essential vitamins. Your Tropical Delight smoothie is ready, refreshing, and loaded with vitamins. Finally, we have the Green Power Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend that gives you the energy you need. This mighty concoction is a simple blend of spinach, banana, and almond milk. To create this vibrant smoothie, start by washing a generous handful of spinach. Next, peel and slice 1 ripe banana. Toss these 2 into your blender. Pour in a cup of chilled almond milk to add a creamy texture. Blend until smooth and you're done. Now let's talk about the health benefits. Spinach is a green leafy wonder that's packed with vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of iron, which is essential for maintaining your energy levels. Bananas, on the other hand, are high in potassium and can help maintain healthy heart function. Almond milk adds a dairy-free creaminess and is a great source of vitamin E. And voila! Your Green Power smoothie is ready to provide a nutritional boost to your day. So now you know how to whip up 3 delicious and healthy smoothies at home. We've covered the Berry Blast, full of antioxidants, the Tropical Delight, an exotic vitamin C powerhouse, and the Green Power, a leafy wonder of fiber and protein. Each recipe is a testament to the wonders of nutrition and taste in harmony. Don't hesitate to give these a try and feel free to let your imagination run wild with your own concoctions. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is fresh ingredients and a dash of creativity. Happy blending!